How to reset Electrolux dryer. This is a step-by-step guide so you will be able to follow easily. Now, I have managed to find this website right here about Electrolux dryer troubleshooting. This is about the portstown.com, and if we scroll down long enough we can go ahead and see something like not starting, not drying, not getting hot, and more. You want to go ahead and scroll down, and from here we can then go ahead and see the instruction on how you can reset your Electrolux dryer. Resetting your Electrolux dryer simply involves unplugging the unit and waiting 3 minutes before plugging it back in. Now you can just go ahead and do that and see if that reset the Electrolux dryer that you have. You also have the factory reset right here. Certain circumstances require a factory reset on your Electrolux dryer. For instance, the dryer's LCD LED display on DN and is repeating a demo cycle. Likely, this is an easy port. By pressing and holding the dryness and option button simultaneously until you hear the signal sounds, and from there you have managed to factory reset your Electrolux dryer. If this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time, and as always, thank you.